Welcome to all of you. In this video, we will discuss the question answers of the chapter Mowgli's Brothers from the English Connection book, page number 35, literature book. And before starting our discussion about the question answers, let us know about the chapter, main characters of the chapter or main points of the chapter, how the story begins. So basically, in this chapter, we have the information of the Mowgli's brothers, how Mowgli gets his brothers. So the chapter starts with the timing, and the timing has been given as evening time is there, and time was 7 o'clock. And father and mother wolf was the name of the mother wolf was Raksha. So they were just awakened, and they get rid of sleepy feelings in their tips. So now father wolf was going to spring downhill. Then he found a shadow, some kind of shadow with a bushy tail, crossed the threshold and whined. Then who was he? It was the jackal. And in this way we find the introduction of the jackal named Tabaki, uh, pronounced as Tabaki, which means the dish liquor. And that the pack of wolves of the area, Seoni Hills, where the pack of wolves were used to live, they didn't like at all that jackal Tabaki. Why? Because he was a very mean kind of person, very selfish kind of person, and for him a dry bone was enough. So in the next paragraph we find the description of the Tabaki, and then in the next page number 36, we find the introduction of the conversation between the jackal Tabaki and the mother and father wolf, as you can see in this picture. So, and we find out the conversation in their conversation was how the conversation was focused on Sher Khan, and how he make them afraid by taking the Sher Khan's name, that he decided to started to do the hunting in their area, Seoni Hills, after his area. Now it makes angry to the father and mother wolf, and they started to say express their feeling about Sher Khan, how they did not like at all the Sher Khan also. Why? Because of his action. And what about the Sher Khan? We have the introduction of the Sher Khan also. He was a tiger, and he was living in another place, some village nearby. He was not living in Seoni Hill, but he came there, and he came there to kill the animals, cattle of the villagers nearby Seoni Hills. So mother and father wolf, they discuss that how he was a lamb footed means just with one leg. His one leg was injured. He was born with one leg, means defected one leg. And we find that how mother and father wolf, they express their feeling that now after he used to kill only cattle, and now the villagers of Wangunga, Wangunga, after making them angry by killing their cattle, he came now to our village. They say this, that he came now our our area, to kill the cattle of our nearby our village people. And now it is because of him, they will search him, and we will all be in trouble because of him. So what happened? They find that a man's cub was coming there to their den's way, coming to their den. And they were he was that man, they say that child as a man cub. It is the animals language, we can say. It is used by the writer Ruskin Bond. So they start their conversation, and the father wolf says that just with one of my paw, I can kill him, but he is so cute that I am not able to kill him. And then anyhow Sher Khan get the information in the next page number 38. And then mother wolf, in this page mother wolf says that return, go back to your place, it is not safe for you. But that they they have a feeling of protection for that man's cub, and they keep that man's cub and name that cub as Mowgli, and decides to protect, and just think that they will raise this matter in the council of the pack of wolves. And then Sher Khan comes there, and as you can see in the picture that he there is a very little space, and Sher Khan just enter his mouth, and he asks for the man's cub, and he denies. How the father wolf and mother wolf is there in the picture, you can see they denies that there is no man cub is here. And behind the Sher Khan there was Tabaki the jackal, and then from that time Sher Khan did not like man cub, and always throughout the story in the Jungle Book he is behind the Mowgli. When he was 11 year, and the other times he was just behind the Mowgli, just because of this reason. And the next page number 40, we find out that page number 40 we find out that there is a pack of wolves. They are in the meeting, and in that meeting the pack of wolves were also divided, because all the wolves measure mostly the wolves wanted to kill that man's cub, and but it was the law of the jungle, and in this law of the jungle it was not it was the rule that nobody the animals can kill the animals only. So on the basis of that law, the father wolf, he says that as per the law of the jungle, we are not supposed to kill this man's cub. And then who he was supported by the other person. First of all, Ballu supports him. He was Ballu, who was the teacher basically. He was a bear, brown colored bear, and a sleepy kind of person, a sleepy kind of creature, animal. So he takes this decision that he will teach Mowgli as he has taught the other animals. And after him, Bagheera comes in support of Mowgli. He wanted to be with Mowgli, to protect Mowgli, and he gives a prize for this protection. He says that I am giving you a bull, a freshly killed bull to you all. In the next page, as in the next page number 41, that I am giving you the prize for this, and that is a uh, newly killed bull for your as for your food. And on this they all becomes ready. And the next page, page number 43, the last page, we find out that how how they becomes ready. The other pack of wolves, they think that how long Mowgli will live, because he was just a very innocent kind of very little creature, and he will die surely. So that is why they were not they were happy for that price, and they happily accept that price. And so in this way we find out the main characters. How which main characters? The introduction of the mother and father wolf, and how Mowgli gets his brothers. So that is why the chapter name, as we know that Mowgli's brothers name is the chapter name is there of the chapter, Mowgli's brother. So in this way, from the beginning we get the information that there are 4 cubs of wolf family have, and Mowgli comes in this way. There were 5, and the main characters in the story, we find out about the jackal, Tabaki, Sher Khan, Bagheera, Ballu, and Raksha, the wolf mother. So that's all about the summary. Let's discuss now the question answers of chapter Mowgli's brothers, which are on page number 44 and page number 45. So there are 3 sections, and in section A there is 2 questions based on a paragraph, and the paragraph is, so this we are going to discuss the section A. And first question is, out, snapped father wolf, out and hunt with your master. You have done harm enough for one night. So the question based on this question, this paragraph is, first question A, there are 3 questions. So A part is, whom did father wolf dismiss? So answer is, father wolf dismissed Tabaki, the jackal. B part, what did he realize was the jackal's intention? So answer is, Father Wolf realized that Jackal Tabaki wanted to eat his cubs or wanted to harm the cubs of wolf family. Next question, C part. Who is referred to as your master? So the answer is, after the summary we came to know that Sher Khan is the master, or Jackal considers Sher Khan as his master. So the answer is, Sher Khan referred to as your master here. Now second paragraph is given as the question, part 2. Now go away, or you will go back to your mother. Question is, based on this paragraph, the question is, first A part question, who says these words to whom? Answer is, Mother Wolf says these words to man's cub, because he was worried about that man's cub, man's child. Second B part question, who was she is trying to protect? Answer is, she was trying to protect man's cub. C question, who does this insult is there, actually I have written here insert. The question is insult, INSULT. Insult refer to. Who does this insult refer to? Answer is, this insult refers to the care of mother wolf for man's cub. Now section B part. So in this section B part, the question, instruction of the question is, answer the following questions, and there are 10 questions. On the page number 44 and page number 45 there are 10 questions. So first question is, why did the wolf of India despise Tabaki? So the answer is, the wolves of India hated or despised Tabaki, the jackal, which name, the meaning is the dish licker, because he was a mean person. He was not mean. I have written, it is wrong here. It should be mean, MEAN, mean person, selfish person. For him, and for him, a single bone which was a leftover was good feast. Now question number 2, when did the tiger run and hide from Tabaki? Answer is, when Tabaki was talking to wolf family, Sher Khan ran and hide from Tabaki. Just he wanted to kill the two cubs, or just wanted to listen or hear something with the conversation of both of them. Now question number 3, what did Tabaki say to make the wolf couple uncomfortable? So the answer is, Tabaki said that Sher Khan has shifted his hunting grounds. He will hunt Seoni Hills. What was Seoni Hills? Seoni Hills was the area where pack of wolves were used to live. So he said that now Sher Khan will hunt Seoni Hills for the next moon. Next question, question number 4, how did the sound made by tiger change? And what did the mother wolf understand of it? Answer is, when tiger Sher Khan came to know that there is man's cub with the wolf family, the sound made by him was changed. Why? Because he was in anger, and mother wolf understood from his loud cry that he will kill the man's cub in future. Next question, question number 5, why did father wolf refuse to fulfill Sher Khan's demand? So the answer is, father wolf refused to fulfill Sher Khan's demand. And what was the demand? He wanted the man's cub. So he refused to fulfill Sher Khan's demand because he wanted to protect the man's cub. Now question number 6, why did Sher Khan back off from the cave? Answer is, Sher Khan backed off from the cave because father wolf did not give him man's cub. Here cub has been written, but cub, cub, man's cub, and besides this there was no space to enter that cave. So now question number 7, why did the wolves dislike Sher Khan? Answer is, the wolves disliked Sher Khan because he had made his villagers angry by killing their cattle. Now he started to kill the cattle nearby Seoni Hills where wolves were used to live, and that is why villagers could scour the jungle for him. After there is a comma. So next question, question number 8, who promised to teach Mowgli the law of the jungle? Answer is Ballu, who was a sleeping brown bear, and Ballu promised to teach Mowgli the law of the jungle. Next question, question number 9, what price did Bagheera pay for Mowgli's Mowgli to stay with the pack? Answer is Bagheera paid a newly killed bull as a food to the pack of wolves as a price for Mowgli to stay with the pack. Now, last question of this section, section B, is why do you think Mowgli was not afraid to be with the wolves and panthers? Answer is, who was panther? Panther was Bagheera. So wolves and panthers. Answer is Mowgli was not afraid to be both afraid. There should be afraid. There operate. It's a printing mistake. Speech. I have used piece speech, so that is why by mistake it has been given here operate. It should be afraid. Mowgli was not afraid to be with the wolves and panthers because he was too small to understand these kind of danger for him. Now, last section, page number 45 of literature book, section C. Question is, match the following parts of the sentences to form the various laws of the jungle. Answer is, I have compiled the answer. I have combined both the parts, so make it correct. So these are the rules of the law. You have to match. You can match, just see here and listen and then match accordingly. First is, an animal can't. These are the rules of the law. First rule, an animal can't change its hunting ground. This is the first rule. Second is, no animal can kill and eat man. This is the second rule. Third is, when couples can stand on their feet, the father has to bring in front of the pack. Here by mistake couples has been written. Here should be cubs. Next, fourth, last rule is, when the pack, pack of wolves does not want a cub, cub, two other words have to speak for it. Means when the two in the pack of wolves, they wanted to keep the man's cub, the two wolves came there to speak in favor of him, in favor of that man's cub. Who were they? Ballu and Bagheera. So that is all for question answers of this chapter, Mowgli's Brothers. I hope you understood well now, because especially for you all I have made this video. If you liked a little bit this video, just please subscribe the channel and share this video in your friends so that they can also take benefit from this video. Thanks a lot for watching this video.